Welcome to the beautiful garden, where every leaf, petal, and stem deserves to flourish without the unwelcome company of pesky invaders. Today, we embark on a journey through basic pest management, learning how to protect our gardens with care, wisdom, and natural solutions. Pests may be tiny, but their impact can be mighty, yet with the right strategies, we can create a thriving garden where harmony reigns. Instead of fighting against nature, we will learn to work with it, fostering an environment where plants grow strong and resilient. So, let's dive into these 10 empowering steps that will help you keep your garden vibrant, balanced, and full of life. Step 1. Observe and identify the problem. Before taking action, pause and truly observe your garden. Look for holes in leaves, chewed stems, or unusual spots that indicate unwanted visitors. Not all bugs are bad. Many insects, such as ladybugs and praying mantises, are garden allies that help keep harmful pests in check. Learn to distinguish between beneficial insects and destructive ones, so you only target the real troublemakers. A garden is like a small ecosystem, and every creature plays a role. Understanding that balance is key to effective pest management. By identifying the problem before reacting, you set the stage for smart, mindful solutions. Step 2. Encourage beneficial insects. Nature has already given us some of the best pest control solutions in the form of beneficial insects that feast on garden pests. Ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps help control aphids, caterpillars, and other destructive invaders without the need for harmful chemicals. Planting flowers like marigolds, lavender, and dill can attract these natural allies, creating a balanced environment where the good bugs outnumber the bad. Think of it as assembling a superhero squad for your garden, each insect playing a vital role in protecting your plants. When you work with nature, pest management becomes a harmonious dance rather than a battle. Step 3. Keep your plants strong and healthy. A healthy plant is a resilient plant. Just like a strong immune system helps people fight off illness, robust plants can better withstand pests. Enriching the soil, providing the right amount of water, and ensuring proper spacing between plants all contribute to a stronger, pest-resistant garden. Pests are often attracted to weak, stressed plants, so creating optimal growing conditions prevents problems before they begin. Rotate crops each season to reduce pest buildup and introduce companion planting, pairing plants like basil with tomatoes or onions with carrots to naturally deter pests. The more love and care you give your garden, the less likely pests will take over. Step 4. Use physical barriers and traps. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. Placing physical barriers between pests and plants can stop the problem before it starts. Floating row covers, mesh netting, and garden fabric create protective shields that prevent pests from laying eggs or munching on tender leaves. For crawling insects, copper tape around garden beds deters slugs and snails, while sticky traps can catch flying invaders like whiteflies. Hand-picking larger pests like caterpillars and beetles may seem old-fashioned, but it's an effective, chemical-free method of control. With a few well-placed defenses, your garden becomes a fortress of natural protection. Step 5. Practice companion planting. Companion planting is nature's way of teamwork, where certain plants protect each other by repelling pests or attracting beneficial insects. Marigolds deter nematodes, basil wards off mosquitoes and flies, and nasturtiums keep aphids away from vegetables like squash and beans. Some plants emit scents that confuse pests, making it harder for them to find their favorite meals. By strategically placing these natural defenders throughout your garden, you create a protective barrier that keeps pests at bay. Think of companion planting as creating a community of plants that look out for one another, thriving together in harmony. Step 6. Use homemade and organic sprays. When pests persist, homemade sprays offer a gentle yet effective way to deter them without harming the environment. A simple garlic or chili spray repels aphids and caterpillars, while a mix of neem oil and water suffocates harmful insects without affecting beneficial ones. Soap sprays can break down soft-bodied pests like spider mites and mealybugs, giving your plants a chance to recover naturally. These solutions work with nature, not against it, ensuring your garden remains a safe haven for pollinators and helpful insects. With a few simple ingredients from your kitchen, you can protect your plants with confidence. Step 7. Remove affected plants and debris. Sometimes, the best solution is to let go of what can't be saved. Removing heavily infested plants prevents pests from spreading to healthy ones. Regularly clearing out dead leaves, fallen fruit, and plant debris eliminates hiding spots for insects and diseases. Keeping your garden tidy breaks the life cycle of pests, making it harder for them to take hold. Compost wisely, only adding healthy, pest-free plant matter so that you return nutrients to the soil without inviting trouble. A clean, well-maintained garden isn't just beautiful, it's a natural defense against unwanted invaders. Step 8. Rotate crops and change planting locations. Growing the same crops in the same spot year after year invites pests to settle in like unwelcome house guests who never leave. Crop rotation disrupts pest life cycles, making it harder for insects and soil-borne diseases to find their favorite hosts. Moving plants to different areas each season naturally reduces pest populations, ensuring a fresh, thriving garden each year. This technique also improves soil health as different plants have different nutrient needs, preventing soil depletion. By changing up your planting strategy, you keep pests guessing and your garden thriving. Step 9. Attract birds and other natural predators. Birds, frogs, and lizards are natural pest controllers, happy to feast on insects before they become a problem. Installing bird feeders, bird baths, and native shrubs invites these feathered friends to patrol your garden, keeping pests in check. Toad houses and small rock piles create hiding spots for amphibians and reptiles, who also help maintain balance. By welcoming these natural allies, you create a self-sustaining system where wildlife and plants thrive together. Encouraging biodiversity is one of the most effective and rewarding ways to keep pests under control the natural way. Step 10. Stay patient and keep learning. Gardening is a journey, and pest management is an ongoing dance with nature. Not every method will work overnight, and sometimes adjustments are needed, but every step is an opportunity to learn, grow, and adapt. Stay observant, experiment with natural solutions, and embrace the process with patience and joy. Remember, pests are simply part of the ecosystem, and your goal is to create balance rather than eliminate them entirely. With time, love, and dedication, your garden will become a thriving sanctuary where every leaf, bloom, and root grows in harmony. Thank you for joining us at The Beautiful Garden as we explored the art of natural pest management. By working with nature, encouraging beneficial insects, and using smart, sustainable strategies, you can create a garden that thrives without relying on harsh chemicals. Remember, a truly beautiful garden is one where plants, insects, and gardeners live in perfect harmony. Keep nurturing, keep observing, and let your garden be a reflection of patience, care, and the incredible power of nature. Until next time, may your garden flourish, your plants stay strong, and your heart remain forever connected to the beauty of the earth.